Using a National Bank ATM card is straightforward. Follow these steps to access your funds and complete transactions. Locate an ATM. Find a National Bank ATM or any ATM that accepts your card. Ensure the machine is operational. Insert your ATM card. Insert your National Bank ATM card into the card slot, following the instructions on the ATM screen. The card may need to be inserted with the magnetic stripe facing up or down. Enter your PIN. Use the keypad to enter your 4-digit personal identification number. This number is private and should not be shared. Select transaction type. Choose the type of transaction you wish to perform from the options provided, such as withdraw cash, check balance, deposit funds, or transfer funds. Enter transaction details. For cash withdrawals, input the amount you wish to withdraw. For deposits, follow the instructions to insert cash or checks into the deposit slot. Confirm transaction. Review the details of your transaction and confirm. The ATM will process your request and provide a receipt if selected. Retrieve your card and cash. After the transaction is complete, retrieve your ATM card and cash. Ensure you take any receipts or documents provided. Secure your information. Protect your PIN and card from view. Avoid leaving your card or receipts behind.